Hey singers and friends, Gabby here. Chris and I are so excited to be doing a virtual workshop this Thursday in collaboration with West Coast songwriters. So whether you're a singer or you're a songwriter or you're the singer-songwriter, I promise we're gonna have some very cool vocal techniques and approaches to show you that'll help you unlock your performing potential and your songwriting craft. So it's gonna be a very immersive and fun workshop, and we cannot wait to see you there. If you have any questions, hit us up. We'll be happy to answer those, and we look forward to seeing you on Thursday.